Stop is Noah's Bagels. Alright guys, so right now we are ready to go and we are on our way to like the beach, like where the fireworks are, and the parking is probably going to be really like crowded, so we're going to see if we can find a parking spot. If not, we're going to have to like drive where like there's this shuttle bus thing, so hopefully we can find a parking spot. So I will see you guys probably like when the fireworks start. And the fireworks start at 7:30 and it's not even 4 o'clock yet. Oh, the fireworks start at 7. So I'll see you guys later. Oh my gosh. Here, I'll show you it. So today is... So guys, we're at the pier right now, / the beach. And it's super pretty. So this is our view right now. The sunset was so gorgeous. So yeah. Alright guys, so you probably can't see me right now, but it's 4 minutes till the fireworks show starts, and I'm going to like put a time lapse on of the fireworks. So yeah, and we've been here sitting on the beach for quite a while, and we've just been playing games and stuff. So the fireworks are going to start soon, and I'm just going to show you. I'm going to film the full show, so it's just going to be putting into a time lapse. So yeah, see you guys after the show. So I don't know if this is focused right now, but the fireworks show just ended and we're walking back to our car right now, and I'm not walking alone, my family's just like behind me. So I will see you guys probably back when we get there. So guys, we just are at yoga. Alright guys, so that is going to go ahead and close out today's vlog. It is 9 o'clock right now. We got home a little while ago. And we went to, today was actually a really fun day. We got a Christmas tree, we went to the fireworks show. And we also got Yogurtland. And we also went on like a bouncy slide. I did not film it, but we also went on a bouncy slide at like the firework place. So yeah, this is gonna, since I didn't, I'm including yesterday's vlog and today's vlog in one video, which is the video you're watching right now. I'm gonna just end out like both of them because I didn't end out last night's vlog because I just got too tired. I explained it in the beginning of today's vlog, I guess. But anyways, that's gonna close out Vlogmas Day 10. If you guys enjoyed, make sure to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe down below to see the rest of my Vlogmas videos. And I will see you guys tomorrow for Vlogmas Day 11. So I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Good night, guys.